Hello? Do you suffer from call dropouts and poor data connections when you're out on the road? Whether you're off the beaten track or you're heading down the coast for the weekend with the family, it can be a real pain when your phone keeps dropping out. Hi, I'm Amron and I'm the National Sales Manager from RFI, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the Roam Connect pack and also the antennas that RFI put inside it. In a previous video, I've shown you the unboxing of the Roam Connect pack and what's inside it. So the kit comes with everything that you'll need. So it comes with the R41 Roam unit, that's the repeater. Then it comes with a DC power lead, and it also comes with 2 RFI antennas. What makes the Roam Connect pack so different to the others that are in the market is that it uses RFI manufactured antennas. So let me tell you a little bit about what makes our antennas so unique. First of all, they're designed and manufactured within Australia. We build them right here, and we've been doing that for 45 plus years at RFI. This particular antenna has been out on the road now for well over 15 years and is used by all sorts of industries, from mission critical emergency services to commercial trucks and trucking units, and even in the four-wheel drive market. This antenna has a patented design solution inside of it that no other antenna in the market does. It uses a unique PCB meander design on the inside of the antenna that gives it exceptional capabilities of picking up any sort of signal that's in the air. If you're using a poor quality antenna, the Roam Connect unit can't hear that signal in the air. So you need a high quality, well-designed antenna to make sure that the unit is working as well as it possibly can. With 15 years of this guy out on the road, we know that it is built for Australian conditions and can last whether you're out on the tar, on the dirt, or even out way west on the corrugations. So if you're interested in purchasing the Roam Connect pack, head to the link in the description below to our dealer page. There you'll find a local dealer within your area where you can purchase the Roam Connect pack. Stay connected wherever you roam. Thanks for watching.